Alright, displaying and comparing two sets of data. Basically, you have to do all the work twice and then you have to say something about it. Now, when they say justify your answer, they're not saying write a paragraph. They're saying, let's give me some maths that supports what you're saying. So we'll have a look at the example, the best way to do it. A double stem and leaf plot compares the amount spent in dollars by a group of boys and a group of girls at the Royal Easter Show. What is the modal amount spent by the two groups? So I'm looking at the two groups together and I want to know what is the mode. Now I'm looking here at 46. I'll pause it and I'll find it. Okay, 44, sorry. No, I was right. 46 occurs 3 times and so does 34. That's why I wrote them both. Find the mean amount to the nearest dollar of the boys, the girls, and then the whole group. It's a matter of putting it into your calculator and 3 times. So I'll do it and you can do it and then we'll check our answers. Alright, I got boys 34, girls 23.4, and the whole group 29.3. I did the boys, I added them all up, I wrote it down and the number. I did the girls separately, wrote it down, and then I just added the two together and divided by 32 because there was 32 scores. Okay, they probably wouldn't give that to you in an exam because you're doing the same thing 3 times. They want to know if you know the mean once. So they might say, find the mean of the boys, if the mean of the girls is, and then you can compare. Did boys or girls have a greater range of the amount spent? Well, you have to work it out first. Boys is 46 minus 11. Which gives me 35. Girls is 49 minus 11, which gives me 48. Therefore, girls had a greater range. Compare the shape. One is positive, one is negative. I always have to look at my notes. I have never remembered them. So if I go back to my notes, negative is at the when it's all clumped towards the bigger side. So the boys is negative skewed. So the boys is negative and the girls is positive skewed. Skewed. Girls positive. Who on average spent more, boys or girls? Boys average 34 versus 23:40 of girls. So you can't just write boys, you need to support it with numbers. Okay, let's look at this box and whisker plot. I'll do it in a second video. Okay.